Welcome to the Uqałich phrasebook. Uqałich is in beta, meaning that it's in a testing mode, so please bear with us if you see any mistakes or issues. Uqałich is a combination of several Inupiaq phrasebooks found here in a searchable format. You can search in Inupiaq or English for phrases you're looking for. You can also click on the menu drop-down or browse by category or alphabetically, search for random phrases, or even create your own flashcard decks. Let's try by looking for an Inupiaq word. You can click on one of the matches.
Davra.
And you can listen to different recordings from different speakers. You can create a bookmark if you want to remember this word, or you can copy it if you want to post this word somewhere else. If you click on Show Optional Information, it will give you some information about which dialects are being spoken and the sources of these phrasebooks. You can also search for English words.
Nalormijisiga, Mary. Nalormijisiga, Mary.
You can also browse by different categories or by different letters. If you want to find some random words, you can click on random and it will give you 10 random phrases. You can see your bookmarks here. And you can even create flashcard decks. You can do this by choosing a deck, let's say animals for now. You can choose to look at it in Inupiaq, English, or do audio only. Let's try Inupiaq first.
Amakut.
Make sure to flip to the front before you go to the next one.
Kikturate. Kirirak.
Or you can try showing English first.
Aglon.
Or you can do audio only.
Asin arimnyakappa. Akilyerlagich. Kanutun akikappat.
Aklunamiglu. Umenun.
This is how to use the Uqałich Inupiaq phrasebook. Phrasebooks that are included in this application include Inupiaq Phrases and Conversations by Kapneaq, Lorena Williams, and Tarjaq, Lawrence Kaplan from 2000, Inupiaq Luta Lessons by Yayuk Alvan Simful, with recordings from Uqałich, Maryland, Kuzina, Ireland from 2017, North Slope Inupiaq Grammar First Year by Dr. Panyutaq Edna Agyak McLean, with recordings from the late Uqałich James Nugyak from 1986, Inupiaq Conversations by Panyutaq, and the Inupiaq application done by Nanoa Regional Corporation in 2016. This This phrasebook was developed by Miles Creed using a Mother Tongues dictionary, Uqałich to Aidan Pine and Grant Magnans for technical assistance and support, and Uqałich to the Alaska Native Language Archive for providing some of the materials. The materials on the site are intended for educational reference purposes only. Commercial use is strictly prohibited. Reproduction for non-profit educational purposes is permitted only with permission from the authors. Any questions, feedbacks, or if you see any corrections that need to be made can be directed to our contact page or email us at elisakativut@gmail.com.